me living up to my promise to feature for you MSMEs with Twiva that I know you're looking for and that are different and unique. Now, first and foremost, I know you're loving my set. This is by Staarab Lounges. This is the settee I'm sitting on, the amazing display case behind me. Also, this amazing table in front of me. Yeah. So, you're like, umeshika nini unakunywa nini? If you watched my last video, you knew that I was taking a sip of this amazing kombucha. It's called Mohawk Kombucha. It is 100% made in Kenya and it is delightful to drink and refreshing as well. Now, not all kombuchas are created the same. Some people, when they're doing their formulation, it's a little too heavy. It can knock you, in the palate when you take a sip. Not this. And I'm having the one with a little bit. I'm zesty by nature, so I love anything with ginger and lemon in it. And mine has. They have different varieties, so please look them up on IG. And they are good enough for the whole family. Made in Kenya, absolutely natural and refreshing. And by the way, a bottle only goes for 250 shillings. I'd suggest you get you some Mohawk Kombucha, okay? Good. Now, I know you're looking for something unique, and in this case, something that is all about you, okay? And you are the person with sensitive skin. You are the person with children who have eczema. So any little thing they touch, all of a sudden they flare. So you need something good and soothing for your skin, but also does the job. I got you. Busu Naturals is an MSME I want to feature, and I'll tell you why. Natural, cruelty-free, vegan, affordable. I'm holding some of their products here, and I'm going to tell you what makes it amazing. This is the Shea Buttercream, handcrafted in Kenya, 100% natural. It's and they say we believe in the power of nature, and actually so do I. Now, let me tell you what I really love. Not just how it feels when you put it on, but also the fact that it's a very light fragrance. Sometimes you're wondering if you get something that is all natural, whether it will be overpowering. Not at all. Busu Naturals have been really smart in the way they formulate. And by the way, look at that. This is a buttercream, and it disappears the minute I rub it in. And a very light natural scent. And she not only does skincare, but hair care as well. Everywhere from body lotions to shampoos, conditioners, to face creams and body butters, okay? And like I said, natural, cruelty-free, vegan, affordable, eco-friendly. And I know there's somebody who's been looking for something like this because your skin is itchy, your skin is sensitive, and probably in your case, you've got eczema or your children have eczema. I would suggest you go for this, okay? And then I would ask you to stop wondering when you get featured. You know what to do, don't you? You need to register on this link and please hook up with Twiva. And then I'll have a chance to look at your business. I'll go online, I'll ask for the product, I'll look at it myself, and then we'll decide whether we're going to feature it. As a matter of fact, allow me to tell you a small joke. You know the story of the man who kept telling God, I'd like to win the lottery, I'd like to win the lottery, why can't I win the lottery? Then one day God said, for heaven's sake, buy a ticket first. So, I know you want to be featured. Register with Twiva first. Can you do that? Fabulous. I'll see you soon with my next 2 MSMEs of the week with Twiva.